Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 Ultra, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. And secondly, you need to make sure that you're logged in. You can do it either after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. You can check also our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Without it, you will not be able to download anything from the Play Store. So after making sure that you've got those two things, we can finally open the Play Store. This is what you will see after opening it. So just tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here on the second position, we've got updates available. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending. And now it basically depends on you what you want to do. So you can either tap on Update All, and then your device will download all of the updates, or you can go through the list and tap on Update next to the specific app. So I'll choose, for example, Gmail, Google, and maybe Calendar. And now your device will basically download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.